Alright, yo, what's good, YouTube? We back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to day trade for free, no money. And if you got a little bit of money, I'll show you how to do it. Yeah. So what you're gonna have to do is come to a website. It's called TradingView. So go to your browser, search up tradingview.com. Right there. It'll say track all markets. Boom. It'll load you up. You guys will look over here, and you'll have a whole bunch of it'll just say like stocks, indexes, or delete everything. Even if it says like the stock part, go to there's gonna be a trash can to the right of everything. Trash everything until there's nothing there. What you're gonna do is search up these two charts. This is the free charts. NAS 100 USD, Owanda. Make sure it's Owanda, because this is the free. This is the free chart to actually look at. Make sure this one is SPX 500 Owanda. Now, if you want to trade real time, what I do on these charts, this is real time. You could trade MNQ or MES. It's the same exact thing as S&P 500, E-mini futures, ES1, or NQ1, NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures. The only thing is different the only thing that's different is MNQ, this one right there, is micro, and MES is micro. So the micro charts they're a bit different according to size and contract size. So come on to the free chart. I just got done doing this, but my face cam was in the way, so I have to redo this shit. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm doing it quick because I know exactly what I have to do. So go to template. It's gonna be reset. Y'all shit's gonna be reset. So it's gonna look just like this when you load into it. What you're gonna do is right click any white space. You could click here, you could click there, you could click, don't matter. Right click that shit. Go to your settings, symbol, your body, the first one right here, green, and the rest are just gonna be black. I trade just like how ICT's chart looks like, that's literally how I learned this shit. Shout out him. Goat. Goat for real. I ain't gonna lie. Taught me this shit. And then, I moved on to other things as well and added to my own little thing. So, boom. Don't hit OK yet. Go to status line. Leave all this. It's fine. Scales and lines. Chilling. Canvas. So you could either do solid. I do solid. And I just go like that. I do the next one. I feel like you can kind of see the candles pop out more. So they kind of look like they're floating here. But now you kind of can see them. And then go here. None. Crosshair. If you have it white, you're not gonna really be able to see it. If you have it like grayish, you'll be able to see it more. Like that's your crosshair. It's literally like a video game. Watermark, that's just chilling. Everything else is pretty much cool. Now you go to trading. Execution marks. Get those shits out of there. You're gonna probably want to see these. Leave these on. You'll learn more about this as you guys like figure it out. If you click off buy and sell buttons, then you can see in the top left these disappear. You're gonna want those. So yeah, honestly, after that, hit OK. Right click it again. Go to template, and then you can save this as new chart or some shit, whatever. Save it. And now that chart's good. Your tools. Come here. Star this. Star that. Star this. Go to your cross. Star that. Star your dot too if you want it. Go here. Start your fib. Your gam box. If you have no clue what these things mean, it's fine. Go to your brush. Don't start nothing besides a rectangle. Go here. Start a long. Start your short position. And then that's everything you need with your tools. So you could go here. You could draw a line. So a magnet's going to help you big time. See, if your crosshair is like white, you can't see anything. So you go here, back into your settings, crosshair, and you can put that to gray. Boom. Now you can see where you're clicking. So you're going to draw this line and you're going to be like, well, it's not straight, So what you have to do is, when it's array, you place it. Once you place it somewhere, let go. Move it anywhere you want. Watch when you hit shift, straight. So everything now becomes straight. So if you're dragging it this way, you're holding shift. Doesn't matter which way you go, it's straight. And you can shorten it out to exactly where this is. So, okay, well, if this candle comes exactly up here, then these highs are now swept. Essentially, like I'm just teaching how you would use the ray, versus a vertical ray where you cannot do nothing besides just place it and only move this side. And now that line's infinite. They're the same exact thing. Imagine I grab this though, I can do that. So now this line gets deleted and it's perfectly right there. You could always just adjust it, keep moving it out. And yeah, so that's all you really gotta know what to do is hold shift when you're trying to make something straight. Your rectangles are for gaps. You can edit them like this. You go to settings, background, like that, whatever. Text, you can draw in them, fair value gap. It's right at the bottom right there. Color, the red outline, you could fill it with, like, let's say gray. So however you want to see this. And then, short position, long position. This is long. Whatever the blue is, it's going to be red and green. So whatever the green is long, and this would be short. I like to change every single color because red and green are psychological colors. If you see red, you're terrible. If you see green, you're good, which is very false. Everything about that is false. So, boom, your GAN box looks like this. Go here, go to your settings, screenshot this because I'm not gonna go over this. This is literally just find the 50% range of like from here to all the way up there, but you'll draw it out like this. So that means the market coming back down here is the 50% of this entire range. Again, I'm not teaching what these mean. I'm just showing you how to set them up. And yeah, vertical line, same thing. You dash it. That's how I normally have it. And I'm pretty sure, fib. Okay, that's your fib. This is a move in the market where it's very, very accurate. That if this happens and you see it correctly, you can line it up and the market will come to that 2 level, like, perfectly. There's many a times where that has happened, so it happens every single day. It's just what you see. This is exactly what it is. Do this. Have it all in order. Have it the same color. Doesn't matter, but I would just say to do it like that just because that's how I have it on the trading view chart. So that's pretty much it. That's what your tools, everything. So now we're gonna just get into like this just quick example of like how do you buy, how do you sell? Okay. Well, go here, log out. You won't even be logged in, but if you're setting this up, go to paper trading, and now you can connect it. Every single time you come in, you can trade for free. Log out. You won't even be logged in, but if you're setting this up, go to paper trading, and now you can connect it. Every single time you come in, you can trade for free. It's not that you're gonna make real money, but you're learning. And I don't care to teach how to make money in this. I'm just teaching people how to learn it. So you go to this little icon, account settings, that's gonna be like your settings for dang near everything. Excuse me. Go to reset account. I trade $50,000 prop firm accounts. So if I would learn, I would do $50,000, practice account. And it's how I learned. I treated it like, okay, well, if I bought one of these accounts, let's see what I could do in 3 months. Don't try to get rich. You're not going to get rich trying to get rich. It's not going to happen. I'm not rich. So, what, and the next person isn't rich. And if they are, who cares? Like, you have to just do this just because you want to learn it. Like, yes, there's money that is behind it, but you have to do this for the fact that you want to learn. So when I was learning, I told myself, all right, well, let's see what I can do in 3 months. 3 months went by. I was like, oh shit, like I actually made money from the practice account. So I bought one of these prop firm accounts, not this one. It was like some blueberry market shit, some old shit, but it was a $10,000 account. I was very close to passing. I was like maybe $150 away. And I was on that account for like 4 months. So that just goes to show you, like, I was break even slash, I knew what I was doing, but I was fighting a lot of bad days. No one was watching you. No one will be watching you. So you're gonna like, ah, fuck, like I lost. You know, you're gonna look that way, look this way. You know what? I'm gonna trade again. Fuck it, no one's watching. And you're gonna see how far that gets you. How long do you wrestle with yourself until you realize it's just you? And yeah, so boom. Come here. You won't be trading on a 4 hour. Let's just tell you that now. If you want to see something happen real time within the minute, you're probably gonna have to trade on the minute. And that's something I think I should even show you. Star the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, day, week, month. Oh yeah, over here, flag these once you get everything deleted, and you could even add the delayed charts just in case when you do want to buy them, as soon as you buy it, these will not have a D, highlighted orange D up there. It'll be real time, aka a green dot will show you real time. This just isn't real time. It's updated every, like, yeah, see, 5 seconds, because it's not, see, this is real time. Look, market open. This shit real time. This shit shows you how the market actually ticks within. If you buy it on TradingView, you'll see the same thing. These are TradingView integrated charts. It shows you the exact tick. But these have 30-second, 15-second. As well as if you buy it, you can get the same exact thing over here too. 15-second. See, look what happens when I start. Look what it makes you do. Boom. It tries to tell you upgrade. When you can start, but you can't trade it. It tries to tell you upgrade it. Every time. Go to 15. Well, no, you can't watch that. So that's how it works. They're gonna get you. But the 1 minute is all you need. 1 minute and above is all you need. You can do all this shit for free. Like, this is how I learned. I learned from the 1 minute and from the month. So everything in between I learned. These two charts is exactly how I learned. I'll have to find old screenshots, put them in new videos or some shit, bro, to show y'all I fucking was banging shit a while ago, but I didn't know why. Until you know why, there you go. You know, you'll be in that position. So boom. Boom. I'm gonna show you how to buy. You hit buy. 10 units is about, depending on the points, you have to see where that order gets filled. So it gets filled at 77. So from 10 points down, so let's go to 67, about $100. So all the way up here, let's say I want to target this high, 20 points, it's about $200. So that risk, if you look at it when you draw your long position, it's about a 1 to 2. When you drag everything perfectly, it's about a 1 to 2. So ratio, 1 to 2. It'll always be whatever you're risking to whatever your reward is. Risk to reward ratio 2. You know, it's very simple things. You just won't know why right away. So now you say you sell 10. Say I have my stop up here. I'm risking about 220. So 20 points, damn near roughly. And say I'm targeting this low, that low, you know, this low, whatever. We're gonna just say I'm targeting this low right here. So say I drew my ray out. Where's my toolbox? Yo, my tools. Yeah, where there it is. How about server file? All right. Look, you draw your ray out, hold shift. Now say I'm targeting the market to come down here. These lines are just to show you. So anyone who trades a naked chart and you can just see it, then I'd be like, literally props to you, because that shit is very, very hard. It's doable, but it's very, very hard. So what would this risk be? About a 1 to 2.3, you know? Which is very good still. Draw your short position, exactly where the order is, and then you draw it down. So a 1 to 2.6, which is very good. if you're risking $219 and you made 566 and you left at that and you just walked away, you went to the gym, you went to go chill with your friends. Tomorrow came, you did that again, you're up a band, you know? Say you lost the next day after that, you're still up 800. Then you win again. Now you're up 1.3. Like, it's how you're supposed to look at it. So that's how you buy, you sell. That's how you set your take profit, your stop loss. Like, that's literally how you trade for free. Now it's actually learning, what am I doing, the system, all that good stuff. But that obviously comes with time, more videos. This is like me just giving you guys the example, how to set up your chart, how to actually trade for free. Remember, you got to come to that corner. Boom. Don't keep resetting it. You'll never learn. You will never learn if you keep resetting it. If you think you have to win to show your friends, all the order history will be there. How much you made, everything. Orders, look, position, order not balance, tweaking. Holy shit. Balance before, balance after. You need this to keep yourself in check and understand, like, what am I doing? That's exactly what this is. This shows me exactly what I do, the trades I take. But this is a funded account. So again, I hope this video helped you guys set up and understand that you guys can do this for free. No money at all. But if you want to put a little bit of money into it, you will get better and stronger results because you're trading real time. When I made that jump to go to real time from these from the non-paying charts, these are like forex charts, but they're technically futures updated. It's very weird. But when I made that jump to this, that's what changed my trading, a lot of it, because I started seeing like the actual fake outs that ICT was teaching, and this shit I'm gonna be teaching y'all. But also, like I said, I'm gonna put where I learned in the description for the fact that you guys can watch him, you guys can watch both. I don't care. I'm making this videos just to show people that yes, you can do this for free, because not a lot of people will. People are gonna want you to pay money and buy money to do this shit, and that's how they will get you. And again, I'm not here to do that. I don't care. I'm a trader first, always, and I will stay like that. So again, I hope this video helped. I hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time. Again, y'all, I hope y'all fucked with the video. I appreciate you guys for taking your time out your day to watch the videos. Merry Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Like I said, I just want to keep this joint like mad, raw, uncut, and just to show you guys like the easiest experience, how to set it up, how to actually go about it. I'm going to be live on YouTube every single morning, day trading. Tomorrow, not because it's Christmas. Take your holiday off, bro. Enjoy your day. No need to like try to trade, especially when the banks are gonna be closed. There's gonna be no volume in the market for you to even read. But like I said, I'm not trying to go too in depth with this. I just want to appreciate you guys again for taking your time. And as always, stay safe. Until next time.